Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can write into cosine 2x squared everything to the power of 2. So we apply the formula in here. Cosine a squared equals to 1 plus cosine 2a over number 2. So capital A represent about 2x. So for this one, we need to change cosine 2x squared into this one. And capital A, that's about 2x. And this one we have cosine 4x. Now we need to expand this one. And we got about 1 plus 2 cosine 4x plus cosine 4x squared over number 4. So I will put number 4 go outside. Now we apply the formula of cosine 4x squared similar for this one. And you will have about 1 plus cosine 8x over number 2. This one we have 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 cosine 8x. Number 1 plus 1 over 2, you got about 3 over 2. And now we have the final answer in here. The integration of 3 over 2, you got about 3 over 2x. The integration of cosine 4x, you got about 1 over 4 sine 4x. This one, you got about 1 over 8 sine 8x. And we put about C. Number 2 divided by number 4, you got about 1 over 2. This one you got about 1 over 16. This is the end. Thank you for watching.